Hi. After all this boring theory, let's put everything into action. I hope with the new format, some theory will make more sense when seeing it being applied in a real project and what impact it has here. One thing I always struggled with in the past was to turn some vocals into a meaningful context. For my taste, isolated and unprocessed vocals sound ugly and have killed my imagination in the same moment I listened to them. But our brain is trained to react to vocals more than everything else on this planet, and there are tons of really nice vocal lines on services like Splice or included in sample packs for everybody who cannot sing like me and don't have access to a professional singer, ready to get turned into some great piece of music. So I like to start the new format with this topic. For the next few videos, I will turn these vocal samples
in the darkness, you shine for me, a world in shadow, uncovering
into this.
In the darkness, you shine for me, a world in shadow, uncovering. But there you are to lead the way. Finally, I can see what I want, I see with you. Everything that I feel,
a lovely, dreamy break section. I don't want to go too much into detail of trance music. That's why I don't do a full-blown song here, but just the break. Nevertheless, I will start from scratch and will create every single step necessary to get this finished part. Starting with how to find working chords for an existing vocal line, extracting the bass line from these chords, processing the vocals and adlibs to taste, creating a rhythm line with some plugs, adding strings for some layering to the synthetic part, making some simple noise down and uplifter, adding some highlights with a reverb kick and crash cymbal, building some acid hits to fill up the soundscape, teasing the main kick with filtering and volume automation, and creating the transition to the drop. I mix as I go, and every process will be shown in detail. From simple EQ and compression, applying reverb and delay, to advanced sidechaining to get the right sound and headroom. Nothing happens in the background. All what gives the final sound will be revealed. Apart from the vocal line which comes from a paid sample pack, everything I use in this series, apart from some free VSTs, will be FL Studio native plugins and included samples that everybody can follow along. All sounds used here will be made from scratch, using Citrus, Harmless, 3x Oscillator and Flex. I hope you will enjoy it. Stay tuned for the next video, and thank you for watching.